Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how gummy candy is made in a factory setting. We'll explore the fascinating journey from raw ingredients to the chewy treats you love. This guide will cover the essential steps, from initial mixing and cooking to precise molding, careful drying, and efficient packaging. Understanding this process reveals the intricate balance of science and engineering behind every delicious gummy. The journey begins with carefully selected raw materials. Gelatin, various sweeteners like sugar and corn syrup, and water are precisely measured and combined in large mixing tanks. This mixture is then heated in industrial cookers, typically reaching temperatures between 120 and 150 degrees Celsius. This crucial step ensures all gelling agents and sugars fully dissolve, creating a smooth, homogeneous syrup. Flavorings, colorings, and acids are then blended in, giving the gummies their signature taste and vibrant look. Once the gummy syrup is perfectly prepared, it moves to the molding stage. Specialized depositing machines accurately fill thousands of pre-designed molds, often made from starch, ensuring each gummy has a consistent shape and size. These filled molds then travel through cooling tunnels, where controlled temperatures allow the gummies to gradually solidify and set. This cooling process is vital for achieving the characteristic chewy texture, taking several hours for proper firmness. After the gummies are demolded, they enter a crucial drying or conditioning phase to remove excess moisture, essential for shelf stability. Many gummies then receive a coating, such as edible oil for shine or sugar and sour powder for an extra flavor kick. Before packaging, each gummy undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure it meets precise standards. Finally, automated packaging machines efficiently sort and seal the gummies into various containers, ready for consumers to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.